Hello, Chef here. Once again, another recipe for you. We've got red potatoes with a parsley butter sauce. Yes, this is one of those dishes that's been created and cooked very, very old school, very old-fashioned. Possibly even a Escoffier or before they were doing this. So I'm using the mandolin to get a perfect slice, just like this. Okay. So fast, so easy. Okay, there we go. Nice, beautiful cuts. Red potatoes, yeah. And now these go in boiling water. Cover the potatoes in water and let boil. We're gonna cook these for approximately 15 minutes. When the potatoes are tender, you wanna check them with a fork or knife. Yeah, looking good. Dump them in a colander. Hot pan, add some small pieces of butter. Chopped shallots. Parsley, use fresh when available. Potatoes. The finished parsley new potatoes. Cooked perfectly, nice thin slices. I'm going to plate a few up right here, as well as a really nice thyme, rosemary, tomato reduction as a sauce here. Pretty easy to make. Thought I'd share that with you. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Try them potatoes out. You're going to like them. Get cooking and have a great day. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. Boost blocks. Don't forget to click that little like and subscribe button so we know you're into the video. Share it with your friends. Get cooking and have a beautiful day.